आम शारीरिक तकलीफों को कुछ इस प्रकार प्रकट करिए। सिर दर्द होने पर
I have a headache.
पेट दर्द हो रहा हो तो
I have a stomach ache.
थकान की हालत में
I am very tired.
अस्वस्थ लगने पर
I am not feeling well.
थोड़ा ठीक होने पर
I am feeling better.
और पूरी तरह से स्वस्थ होने पर
I am perfectly all right.
किसी का ध्यान आकर्षित करने के लिए छींक आने पर या लोगों के बीच से उठकर जाने से पहले कहना न भूलें,
Excuse me.
रेस्टोरेंट, होटल या पार्टी में वेटर को टिप देते समय कहें,
Keep the change.
किसी को चुप इस प्रकार कराएं,
Please keep quiet.
आइए आप सुनिए कि विभिन्न अवसरों पर बातचीत किस प्रकार की जाती है।
Conversations. बातचीत. Introducing self and others. परिचय अपना और दूसरों का. Unit 4, Exercise 1.
Excuse me, may I sit here, please?
Yes, please.
Thank you. I am Raghav Rai.
I am Sudhir Sen.
What do you do, Mr. Sen?
I am a sales representative in Mega Electricals. What about you?
I am an accountant in the Bank of India.
Where are you from?
I am from Mumbai, but now I am settled in Delhi. And you?
I am from Delhi itself.
Oh, I see. My stop. Okay, bye, Sudhir.
Bye.
When they meet again,
Hello, Raghav. Nice to see you again. How are you?
Hello, Sudhir. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Fine. Here, meet my wife Meeta, my son Mohit, and my daughter Neha.
Hello, Mrs. San. Hello, children. My wife Shefali and my daughter Soumya.
Hello.
Hello, Shefali.
hello, Meeta.
Do you work, Shefali?
No, I am a housewife. What about you?
I teach in a school,
Which school?
Nehru Public School,
Oh, I see. Where do you live, Meeta?
in Model Town. And you?
We are in Shalimar Bagh. Please drop in sometime.
Sure. You too.
Asking the way. रास्ते की पूछताछ. Unit 4, Exercise 2.
Excuse me, could you tell me the way to the Express building, please?
Yes. Go straight. Take the first left turn and keep walking. You will reach Bahadur Shah Zafar Road. The Express building is on that road.
Thank you. Excuse me, madam. From where can I get a bus to Connaught Place?
From that bus stop near the bridge.
Thank you. Is this bus going to Jantar Mantar?
Yes. Get in fast.
Would you please tell me when we reach Jantar Mantar?
Yes, I will.
Can I get a bus to Shalimar Bagh from there?
Yes, easily. This is Jantar Mantar.
Thank you.
A boy talks to a girl. एक लड़के की लड़की से बातचीत.
Hi, Reena.
Hi, how are you?
Fine. And you?
Fine, thanks.
Where are you going?
Actually, I'm free in this period. I was just wondering what to do.
I was going to the canteen. Care to join?
Okay,
What do you like? Coke or something else?
Coke is fine.
Here you are.
Thanks.
Where do you live, Reena?
In Model Town. And you?
In Janakpuri. Are you mostly free in the fifth period?
Yes, mostly. Except on Fridays when we have tutorials. I have to go now. Thanks for the Coke, Sumit.
Bye. See you.
When they meet again,
Hi, Reena. Coming from the library?
Yes. How are you?
Fine. Reena, what are you doing this Sunday?
Nothing special. Why?
We friends are planning to see a movie this Sunday. Want to join us?
Which movie?
We haven't decided yet. Maybe the new English movie on Chanakya.
How many persons are going there?
5, 2 boys and 3 girls. Mona is also coming.
Okay. Can I bring a friend along?
Yes, of course.
How much for the tickets?
I'll take the money after we buy the tickets.
Fine. See you soon. Bye, Sumit.
Bye, Reena.
complaining about a faulty equipment. मशीन में नुक्स की शिकायत.
Good morning, madam. Can I help you?
Yes, I have a complaint.
Yes, please.
I bought this mixer grinder last week from your shop. It doesn't work properly.
Let me see. What is the problem, madam?
The grinder makes too much noise and doesn't grind anything fine. And the blender doesn't mix anything properly.
I see. Does it have a guarantee?
Yes, 1 year.
Do you have the receipt, please?
Yes, here it is.
All right, madam. Leave the machine with us. I will send it to the company's workshop for repair.
Can't you change the piece or refund the money?
We will change the piece if the fault can't be repaired, but we can't refund the money.
When should I come back?
Next week, Wednesday.
All right. Thank you. An interview for a job. नौकरी के लिए interview. May I come in, sir?
Yes, please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please sit down.
Thank you.
What is your name?
Seema Vishwas.
Married or unmarried?
Married.
You have applied for the post of a personal assistant, right?
Yes, sir.
What are your qualifications?
I am BSc. I have also done a diploma in typing and shorthand, and a secretarial course from the Government Polytechnic, Ghaziabad.
What is your speed in typing and shorthand?
Typing is 50 and shorthand is 100 words per minute.
Can you work on a computer?
I can do the word processing on it.
Have you worked in an office before?
Yes, I have worked as PA to the manager in DK Industries.
Have you left them?
No, but I am looking for a change now.
Why?
The place is very far. Besides, the salary is not enough.
What is your present salary?
2100 rupees per month.
What salary do you expect?
Around 3000 rupees.
Can you communicate in English fluently?
Of course I can.
One last but very important question. A personal assistant may have to stay back late in office sometimes. Can you do that?
Only once in a while, sir. Not always. I have a small baby.
All right, Mrs. Vishwas. That will do. We will let you know soon.
Thank you, sir. Boss and secretary. Boss or secretary. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Joyce. Please take down this letter and fax it immediately.
Okay, sir. You have an appointment with Mr. Mehta of NK Industries at 11:30.
All right. Remind me about it at 11 o'clock.
Yes, sir. This is the letter from their company and a copy of the reply sent by us.
Okay. Send me the concerned file.
These are 2 applications. Mr. Sahil has reported sick and Mrs. Chaudhary has applied for the extension of her leave.
For how many days?
3 days, 25th to 28th of April.
Anything else?
This is the electrician's bill. And also, I've sent for the plumber. The toilet flush is not working again.
Have you sent the reminder to Meghraj and Sons?
Yes, sir. Hello, Vishal Industries? Please hold on. Sir, this is Mrs. D'Souza from Pustak Mahal Publishers. She wants an appointment this afternoon.
Is there any other appointment?
No, sir.
All right.
Okay, Mrs. D'Souza, you can come in at 4 o'clock.
Have our new brochures arrived?
Yes, sir. This is the list of the companies we are sending them to.
Okay. Send all the brochures today without fail. Also, send this packet by courier.
Yes, sir. First meeting between a boy and a girl for a marriage proposal. पहली मुलाकात लड़के और लड़की के साथ शादी के लिए.
Which college did you attend?
Gargi College.
What were your subjects?
History, economics and English.
What are your hobbies?
Cooking and designing clothes. In my spare time, I also read novels and listen to music.
What type of music?
light film songs and ghazals.
What are your expectations from a husband?
He should be loving, caring, and understanding.
Do you want to work after marriage?
That depends on my in-laws and the circumstances after marriage.
One last but very important question. Being the only son, I'll always stay with my parents. Can you adjust in the family?
Yes, sure.
Now you too can ask me whatever you want.
I would also like to know about your expectations from your wife.
I want her to be my true friend and life partner.
An official party. Mr. Nigam, the director of Vishal Industries, has thrown a party to celebrate the opening of a new production line. Mr. Nigam, Mrs. Nigam, and his marketing executive Sandeep receive the guests. The guests greet and congratulate the hosts.
Good evening, Mr. Nigam. Congratulations.
Thank you, Mr. Joshi, and welcome. Please meet my wife, Neelima.
Hello, Mrs. Nigam. My wife, Asha.
Hello and welcome. Come, let me introduce you to the other ladies. In the meanwhile, Dilip Mittal, a purchase officer in NK Industries, arrives.
Good evening, sir. Congratulations.
Thanks, and welcome, Dilip.
Hello, Mr. Mittal. Come have a drink. Thanks. So how is business, Mr. Patil?
Business is fine, sir. But I am expecting a bigger order from you this time.
Sure, I'd love to do that. But you got to make your prices a bit more competitive.
I have quoted the lowest possible prices for you.
But 15% discount isn't enough. You see, I've been offered much better price than that.
All right. Let me speak to my boss, sir. Could I get back to you in a day or two?
Yes, no problem.
Thanks. Come have some snacks, sir. These cutlets are very nice.
In the meanwhile, Mr. Nigam talks to his guests.
How is everything, Mr. Nair?
Fine, thanks. Mr. Nigam, what about you?
Fine, by God's grace. Only this project has kept me very busy.
Naturally. When are you going to start production?
If all goes well, in the first week of October, I suppose.
Good. I'd like to visit your factory one of these days.
My pleasure. By the way, have you seen our new brochures?
No, I haven't.
I will have them sent to you tomorrow itself. Now that we are expanding, I look forward to a stronger and mutually beneficial business relationship with you.
Yes, of course, Mr. Nigam. Please come over to my office one day. We can sit together and work out the details.
Sure.
Please come for the dinner, sir.
And when the guests take leave after dinner,
Thank you very much, Mrs. Nigam. It was a wonderful evening.
thanks for coming, Mr. Nair.
Excuse me, sir. Could I see you in the office this Tuesday?
Yes. Fix up the time with my PA, please.
Yes, sir. Good night, sir.
अब आप टेप बार बार सुने। साथ-साथ बोलने का अभ्यास करें। इससे आपकी झिझक दूर होगी और कुछ ही समय में आप बेझिझक अंग्रेजी बोलने लगेंगे। हमारी शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ हैं।